Okay, so a couple people asked about making some videos. This is the first video helping with these systems of equation word problems. I'll make another video for the other link that's in the assignment. So I'm only going to do a couple problems here. This first one about the sum of two numbers is 14. Sum is 14. The difference is 2. Find the numbers. So remember, whatever the question is asking you to do, that's going to tell you what your variables are. And so in this question, I'm asked to find the numbers. So I'm going to make my two variables the numbers. X is the first number, and Y is the second number. So the sum of two numbers is 14. So I would say X plus Y is 14, and their difference is 2. X minus Y equals 2. You might be able to just come up with these numbers yourself just by thinking about it logically, but I'm showing you how to use the algebra to do it as well. If I add these two equations together, the y's are going to eliminate because positive y and negative y make 0. X plus x equals 2x. 14 plus 2 equals 16. I can divide by 2. And I know that one of my numbers is x equals 8. I'm going to plug it in to the very first equation to find the other number. 8 plus y is equal to 14. Then you subtract 8 because that's the opposite of adding, and you get y is equal to 6. 8 and 6. If you want to double check your answer, you can use the other equation. X minus y equals 2. That works out. So that's doing the first problem. I'm going to scroll down a little bit and do one that's maybe a little bit different. So we have down here question 3. Pretty typical word problem. Bill goes to a school selling tickets, blah, blah, blah. On the first day, we have 1 adult, 7 students, $41. Second day is 83. 8 adult, 7 students. And again, the last sentence tells you what it really wants. Find the price of an adult and the price of a student. Let's use those as our two variables. X equals adult price, and then Y equals student price. Okay. Looks like we have in our second sentence, 1 adult and 7 students costs 41. So 1 adult and 7 students for 41. $83 on the second day. So that line that up with the same sort of thing. It's 83 by selling 8 adults and 7 students. You notice those 7 y's line up with each other. I'm going to subtract these two equations from each other because subtracting 7y and 7y will make 0. So I'm just going to subtract the bottom equation, top minus bottom. X minus 8x makes negative 7x. 41 minus 83 makes negative 42. And I can divide by negative 7. That gives me x is equal to 6. So the adult price, excuse me, the adult price is $6. Still need to find the student price. So I go 6 plus 7y equals 41, just plugging it into the top equation. Subtract 6 from both sides. Try to get the variable isolated. 7y equals 35. And then, let's get rid of me there. Divide both sides by 7. And I get y equals 5. I'm going to double check my answer down here, just kind of ignoring the other question on the page right there. I've got x is equal to 6, y is equal to 5. Double check that with the other equation, 8 times x, which is 6, plus 7 times y, which is 5, seeing if that comes out to be 83. And that gives me 48 plus 35, and that feels pretty good. That makes 83. And so that's the end of the first video here. on systems, equations, word problems. There will be a couple other ones.